name is Curtis. I work for First Class Medical. We're located in Englewood, Colorado. We've been here for over 10 years now. We provide portable and home oxygen concentrators for people with respiratory illnesses. With the pandemic going on, we've stayed open and we will continue to stay open to give our patients the service that they need, as well as we know that they struggled getting oxygen throughout the pandemic because they weren't able to get oxygen delivered to their house or were scared for strangers to come drop it off. So we are encouraging you to go onto our website. Please give us a call and we'll be able to help you out with all our respiratory specialists here. During the pandemic, challenges we faced is an influx of patients, doctors' offices, hospitals, and care centers. We've been working very hard to keep up with the demand despite the delivery services having a delay and supplies being interrupted. We've adapted by finding better delivery options, and because patients are having a hard time seeing doctors, we've partnered with a telemedicine doctor to help patients consult and get the prescriptions they need. If you have any questions about portable or home oxygen concentrators, please visit our website at firstclassmed.com, as well as our respiratory specialists are always here. You can call us at 1-800-520-5726. We are a Colorado-based company, so you can come into the office and view the machines as well, but we do ship nationwide. So if you have any family members or loved ones that need a portable or home concentrator, we'll be able to ship it directly to them.